Welcome to our training, Estimate Core Selling and FBA Fees. At Amazon, we calculate certain selling and fulfillment by Amazon or FBA fees individually. We do this to help reflect the range of products sold and the different ways sellers use various services and programs. We offer several tools to help you estimate fees for a product in your inventory. These tools can also help you estimate margins and profits. 3 fee estimation tools are available in Seller Central. The Estimated Fee Per Unit Sold column on the Manage Inventory page, the Revenue Calculator, and the Fee Preview report. We also offer a Product Fees API through our Selling Partner API service. Let's review how each of these tools works. The first tool is the Estimated Fee Per Unit Sold column, which appears on the Manage Inventory page. This tool provides a simple way to preview core selling and FBA fees for a product you already sell in the Amazon store. To access this tool from the main menu in Seller Central, hover over Inventory, then click Manage All Inventory. Then locate the product you'd like a fee estimate for. In the Estimated Fee Per Unit Sold column, you'll see a total fee estimate, followed by an FBA fee estimate if you have Amazon fulfill the item. Click an estimate to open a pop-up where you can review additional details, including a list of the fees included in the total fee estimate and your estimated net proceeds from an individual sale. The next tool, the Revenue Calculator, allows you to estimate and compare fees, profits, and margins for a product by fulfillment method. To access the tool, click the Go to Revenue Calculator button at the bottom of the Estimate Net Proceeds Per Unit Sold pop-up. You can also access the calculator by searching Revenue Calculator in Seller Central and clicking the link on the Help page. The Revenue Calculator is useful for items that aren't yet part of your inventory. You'll then search for the product in the Amazon catalogue using an ASIN, SKU, product ID, or product name. Or you can define a product by providing packaging dimensions, selecting a category type, and entering item and shipping charges. With the product located or defined, you can then review and adjust fields in the Amazon Fulfillment and Your Fulfillment sections to calculate and recalculate the estimated fees, profits, and margins for a sale, comparing each fulfillment method. You can adjust the sales price for each method individually and the shipping charge for a seller-fulfilled estimate. For a product that's already in the Amazon catalogue, both price and shipping are auto-populated using the product's current featured offer when one is available. You can review a summary of estimated Amazon selling fees, which will be the same for each fulfillment method. You can also review and adjust estimated FBA fees, selecting additional services and entering an average cost for shipping a unit to Amazon. And you can enter average amounts for your own fulfillment costs. Directly below those fields, you can adjust storage costs for each fulfillment method. For FBA, adjust the average number of units you store in Amazon fulfillment centers and the estimated number of units sold per month. For your own fulfillment, enter these same values along with your per unit storage cost. Finally, you can enter and adjust any other costs associated with each fulfillment method. We include a separate field for cost of goods sold. As you adjust items in the Revenue Calculator, use the updated amounts at the bottom to understand their impact on your estimated fees, profits, and margins. You can also adjust your estimated sales volume to understand how your profits might scale. Compare the fees, profit, and margin for each fulfillment method to help you decide which might be best for your business. If you'd like to make a third comparison, you can also use the links in the rightmost column. Compare a different set of estimated fees, profit, and margin for your own fulfillment method or FBA. Or generate and compare an estimate for the FBA Small and Light program, which offers reduced fulfillment costs for qualified items. Before you use the Revenue Calculator, we recommend reviewing the list of estimated fees it includes, as well as the list of fees it doesn't include. You can find both on the Revenue Calculator help page. The final fee estimation tool in Seller Central is a report you can use to review information for multiple products at once. The Fee Preview report allows you to estimate core selling and FBA fees for your current FBA inventory. You can also use it to estimate upcoming fee changes on your seller fulfilled and FBA offers. To download the report, hover over Reports in the main menu and click Fulfillment by Amazon. On the Amazon Fulfillment Reports page, scroll down to the Payments section in the list on the left-hand side and click Fee Preview. Using the buttons at the top, select .csv or .txt as your file type. Identify the date range for the report you'd like to run and then click the Download button. After opening the file, you'll see a row for each product. The first set of columns identifies products using IDs and product information. The next set contains pricing details and product dimensions. And the last set contains estimated fee information, including a fee total and core selling and FBA fees. Use the report to understand fees for an individual product, to compare fees across products, or to monitor any fee changes over time. If you prefer to use an external technology to estimate fees, you or your developer can use Amazon's Product Fees API, which we offer through our Selling Partner API Service, or SP API. Information and directions for using the Product Fees API is available in the SP API Developer Guide. On the SP API homepage, scroll down to the Product Fees API section and click the reference link. This API offers sellers and their developers programmatic access to fee estimate information. This concludes our training on estimating core selling and FBA fees. We encourage you to try each tool we reviewed to find out which works best for your business. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.